My question is, Huzoor, in the Holy Qur'an, Allah Almighty says, "And I have not created the jinn and the men, but that they may worship me." On the other hand, we also know that Allah, in fact, does not need our worship. So it seems like a contradiction. Could beloved Huzoor please elaborate on this?
There is no contradiction. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I have not created jinn or the man but to worship Allah Ta'ala. Right? That is the duty of a human being. Jinn here means the big people, the people whom an ordinary man cannot see, the people who consider themselves something above the ordinary man. They are jinn, right here. And the man is human being, the normal man, ordinary man, the general public. So Allah Ta'ala says, I have created them to worship me so that they will be rewarded. Allah says, I will not get any benefit from it. Means that this worship will not benefit Allah Ta'ala, or it will not increase the status of Allah Ta'ala. Rather, it is we who will get benefit from worshipping Allah Ta'ala. So there is no contradiction. One side Allah Ta'ala says, this is your duty. Other side say, why this is your duty? Because I want to reward you. I want to bless you abundantly with manifold blessings. But don't think that I need your worship. I have asked you just to make you understand that it is going to benefit you. My status will remain the same. By worshipping me, you will not increase my status. I am God, I am omnipotent, I am the only God who created the heavens and the earth and all the universes. So I don't need your worships, but you need my help. And if you need my help to get benefit from my blessings, or you want to get rewards of your deeds, then worship me. So one side he asks us that this is your duty. The other side he has asked us that don't think that I have given you this duty to increase my status. No, I have given you this duty to reward you, to increase your status. It is not going to affect my position or status. Rather, you are going to benefit from it. Okay? Now you understand? So there is no contradiction. Both commandments are for us to practice and to make us realize that we need Allah's help, not Allah needs anything from us. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.